on Channel 3 News.
A grieving mother takes legal action against an apartment complex. Why she says the owners should have done more to prevent the murder of her daughter.
Northwest Florida's news station. This is WEAR Channel 3 News at 5 in high definition.
Good afternoon and thank you for joining us today. The mother of a girl who was murdered in Escambia County is now suing the owners of the apartment complex where they lived at the time.
Naomi Jones was abducted and killed last year. She was last seen May 31st at the Aspen Village Apartments on East Johnson Avenue. Charged in her death, convicted sex offender Robert Howard, who sometimes stayed with his girlfriend at that same complex. Course Nylander joins us now from Aspen Village. That apartment complex, again, now facing a lawsuit over the case.
Sue, Shantara Hurry lived here with her daughter Naomi Jones before her kidnapping and murder. Little did they know the man suspected of killing her was their neighbor with a dark past as a convicted sex offender. If convicted, he's facing the death penalty. But it is now the apartment complex Hurry is focusing on.
My 6-year-old asked me the other day that he asked Santa Claus if he would bring his sister back, and that's something I can't do.
It's a mother's worst nightmare. Shantara Hurry's worst nightmare she must live with every day. The kidnapping and murder of her 12-year-old daughter, Naomi Jones.
She was such a happy kid.
Naomi's body was found in an Escambia County creek in June 2017. Robert Howard, arrested and facing the death penalty for her death. Howard, a convicted sex offender, was their neighbor here at Aspen Village Apartments in Escambia County.
That was unknown danger. I didn't foresee this happening.
Tuesday morning, Hurry and her legal team filing a negligent security lawsuit against the apartment and its managers, Progressive Management of America.
You chose to go into business in the business of providing homes for people. And if you don't know who's living under your roof, that's on you. That's a failure. So don't tell me that you couldn't run a background check on the man because you didn't know he was there.
Christopher Marlowe is one of her attorneys. He says the lawsuit's goal is to send a message to apartments everywhere to notify residents like Hurry about sex offenders.
It's the manager's responsibility to know. And then if they find out something like this, alert them and get the guy out of there.
If Hurry was made aware about Robert Howard's past, she says things would be much different.
I would have left, and I would have made sure that all of the other mothers that lived out there with small little girls and little boys, I would have notified them as well.
It is too late for Naomi, but Hurry hopes this lawsuit will ultimately stop something like this from happening again.
In so many ways, this could have been prevented, and it wasn't.
Hurry's legal team won't tell me exactly how much they're seeking from this lawsuit, but tell me it will be extensive enough, they say, to not just get the attention of this apartment and its managers, but others as well. They are preparing this suit for trial. I've reached out to Progressive Management, but have not heard back at this time. Reporting from Escambia County tonight, Course Nylander, Channel 3 News.